ko na makakaon ng
So guys, kulbaan na sila guys. Kay ganda ko siya sa yung speech.
Daghang salamat pe adyan sa pagtugot na makabitness ko.
Nakulbaan mo gusto ko na. First na yun. Yan, mayutong eh.
Good afternoon. Okay, here's my short message to my best friend Mario and my friend John Frankie. To start with my message, I really want to congratulate the both of you. First of all, you may experience yung Kawan yung nagpapatawag nga na sa classmate hindi ay ng true love. Today, we are here to celebrate the love between two incredible people. It feels surreal to stand here and witness this beautiful moment. After all the years we've spent together, I am so happy to celebrate this special moment ninyong duha. Because I've also witnessed all the challenges just to fight for this love. And all I can say is that it's all worth it. Babe, inawal ko, ngayong duha, na una, magpabigay na ngayon sa pagsasalay, pagsaling sa usa, o paghinalay, ugabaw sa tanan, put God at the center of everything. Together, you both radiate joy and love.
Okay, sa atong tanan. First off, daghang salamat kay Jan for allowing me to witness your beautiful wedding. So here we go. To my dearest friend, and husband, Jan, you deserve the abundance of happiness.
May husband John.
And continue relationship na pagkatuon. Wala piniligilan na boundaries. Isan, palit sa isa, from Philippines to Japan, and Philippines, your love for each other conquers it all. And your wedding is a proof that you love and exist. And may your marriage be filled with endless love, laughter, and unwavering support for one another. Congratulations and love you guys.
Ayun! Thank you so much! I really did!
Everyone, so first, let me thank Magabi for allowing me to stand here today and share a few words. So, from here, my classmates since grade 1 to high school, and then nagulat sa unang inhit na magpilitig tayo is ma-asawa sa akong big picture of photographer sa unang sinantay. Makulagin ay yung cellphone pa rin siya ko yung picture. Yun, malipayan na yung ninyo kamo nagkamay na halay na siya. Yes, this relationship is a testament to true love, one built on trust, patience, and unwavering commitment. So they've shown us all
Dito ni Hati ni Peng. Ihako.
if you truly love and trust your
Ako
partner,
ipiprank. Hindi ko joke lang yun. Prank
this
mo.
is the standard. Robin and Maria begin
Pwede rin. Wano tao. Brimini ka. Kung mo nila ang tao.
just keep communicating.
Okay na kung pagsasabi.
Hira.
Katalikod ko wala.
Ito may
husband ko kabit.
And husband? Kuningon daw, be?
And also support each other's dream. Remember that journey that brought you here. How you overcame the challenges that your guide in life and stuff. Today we celebrate not just a wedding, but a love story that inspires us. So Franklin and Marvin, may you marriage be filled with laughter, adventure,
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So, congratulations to the So, I have another short message, but I'm forward. So, today or tonight is your wedding day, and it marks the beginning of a beautiful journey to get as husband and wife. So, I can, sa una, sumsumog lang, crush-crush ko lang, nagkasahan yun, finally. And now we're here witnessing your memorable day. I hope that may your love continue to grow and to grow stronger with each passing day, and may your marriage be filled with joy, laughter, and countless blessings. And always remember, be God in the center of your lives, and wishing your lifetime in happiness and a future as bright as your love for each other. Congratulations and happy wedding day!
Thank you!